Hi, I came in today for a training, recruitment training to start my agency, and it was a huge success. They start from the scratch to tell me what I need to do, and the do's and the don'ts, and the goals I need to set up and everything. So at the end of the day, as the thing was going on, we were able to get a client and make a placement, and everything that I need to do was done today. Though I'm still coming back for the subsequent one, but today was a very huge success because I've learned a lot, and the packages I need to go back and look at home. But today I've been really happy because it was not just any other training, it was practical one. You can see everything and practicalize. The client was, a call was made, and it was not just the client responded and everything went as I expected. I'm so happy for this. Yeah, I was able to pick up a vacancy today with the first phone call that was made. It was for 100,000 per annum and in a hospital setting. Yeah, I'm planning to move to make this my permanent job, as I would say, because I'm happy because I will be able to work from home, walk around my kids and give them the nursery, this thing. So I hope to make it a huge one and be consistent and be serious about it. Just like I'll go out to do a job, I would also need to be serious about this one, because this one has to do, this is my own. I just need to make it serious. I don't want to play about with it. I want to take it serious and give the time I'm supposed to give to get the results. I've always been looking for something that I can do where I can walk around my kids, because in this country, parents don't have time for their children, and you can see the result that is coming. Wayward children, you don't know what is happening around your children, whether they're in school, what time they come back and everything. We are all outside there walking. But in my own case, I want to walk around my kids. I know when they're in school, when they come back, they need to see me at home. So I'll still also be making money, and they will live a better life. We need to travel. We travel. We need to be very comfortable, not just that I need to go and walk out, come back tired. I'll walk, rest. The children will come and play with me, and we'll still be making money. Financially, I know with what I've seen and the training today, I hope to be making between 2 to 3 million, and I know that definitely it's going to come out like that, because I'm ready to put in all what it takes to make it a success, and so that I can have time freedom, financial freedom, and also if I need to travel out. The kids have not really gone out, travel to so many places. I need to give them that time to travel out. We enjoy ourselves and we still make money, and they're happy. That's the whole essence of it.